Hello. I don't know if you can actually see the top of this. I'm hoping so. It's like a little bookcase that we had in the house, but I no longer use it, so I thought I'd bring it into the actual greenhouse and use it to put all my seed trays on, empty seed trays. They're all cluttered up here at the moment, so if I put it down there, the thing is, on that part of the greenhouse, it always seems to be a bit damp. If I put water straight onto there, it's just going to rot. So what I'm going to do really is just going to put some screws into the actual corners. So all I'm going to do now is just going to act as little feet, just to really keep the actual bookshelf off the floor. Nothing special. Just try and keep him as straight as you can, really, and roughly the same. You don't have to be absolutely spot on. As you can see, it's got a little bit of damage to it, but it's only for the actual greenhouse now. So that's all I'm going to be doing, and then I'll show you when it's in its actual little final place in a minute. Now as you can see there, you can actually see the damp, but yeah, that flag there is a little bit drier. Now I don't know whether the water's getting in there or not, but it's just a little bit damp. So if I put this actually in there, I'll show you it's going to look. There you go, it's tucked just under the bench, underneath my potting area. It's back far enough that I can get my feet underneath here. And all this lot here, like my trays, I have bought a lot of, well, not lots, but I bought a few of the Dowding's solid plastic trays as well. So I'm trying to get away from these single-use ones. So that's where they will be all going. And I'll come back to you once I've actually tidied some of this lot up. Good look at this lot. I've got trays and everything everywhere. Now here's something for you. I got these cheap trays from Lidl last year, and I always wondered why on earth did they keep on drying out so quick. And then when I took the plants out, if you actually look, they forgot to put holes in them. It looks like they've moulded it, but it's actually stopped. So that's one thing you need to keep an eye out if you aren't about buying these. And like I say, I am going to the solid plastics. I don't really want to be start buying these anymore. I want to start reusing as much as I can. And let's be honest, these things now, for a pack of 4, maybe pack of 4, they're about £5 now. So it's not much dearer to actually buy the actual solid plastic ones, especially when there was an offer on at Christmas. So I'll spin you round. These are what I got. I got a couple of these shallow solid plastic. I got this one free, the 60 cell small ones. That free because I ordered and it's over £50, and so I got this lot with free postage as well. I got myself 15 tray, that one. I forgot how many it was on. That's the 15 tray, and then I got myself 2 of these. They're the 24 trays. So I've got those really to stop using the single use. And I have got some more in the house, which I'm going to bring out pretty soon. But all these, obviously, they're not all going to fit on there, but at least I can get most of them there. And my seed box, I can probably sit just there, out of the way. So then this one here will be ready for seeds next year. Because like most people, the greenhouses in winter, they do come a bit of a clutter. Right, previously before you see me go through the box of trays I have here, I'm hoping you can see them. Now I did order more. I ordered them first of all, spend £50, you get free delivery, and you also get a free Charles Downing 60 cell. So after checking the quality of them, I thought I'll order some more. I've also got Hugh Richards ones as well. I got from Containerwise, not Containerwise. Yeah, it might be Containerwise, sorry, it's a lie. Yeah, it's on the box. Fool. Right, let's go through what else I've got here. Now, this is not promoted, it's not sponsored, it's just what I got myself. So first of all, I like how to tell you who it's from, Hugh Richards. I've got 2 of the 10 trays, and you can see the depth. But I also decided to get myself the actual tool that pushes them out. This is a Containerwise one. So you can use it two functions. One, you can put your soil in and then pat it down to actually make your holes, or the other vice versa is you can use it to push the actual cells out. So you've got 2 of those separately, and then I've got one, there's a 20, I've got 2 of those as well. So basically it's the 10 stuck together, but it's easier to carry, if that makes sense. And also the actual tool fits these as well. So I've got 2 of those as well. Solid plastic. Like I say, I'm trying to get away from the flimsy plastics because they do split, and I'm hoping it lasts a bit longer. Yes, I've spent £100 on them, but I'm hoping they'll last me for a fair few years now. Now we've got the, I think this is 24 to 26, I'm not so sure. Another container. Doesn't say who these are. I think these are Containerwise's own. So does this one. 24. I just got literally just like all different ones. These are the Hugh Richard ones, this one. To be honest, they're virtually the same as the Charles Downings. And then I got myself a couple more, and the big containers. No, obviously on the side, I should have really written down what's what. And once again, actually made in portable these. Well, as you can see, they're solid plastic, but they're not as solid as these, because these have actually got the lip on them. Really, these should have had a lip on them to give them a bit more rigid, but they are pretty solid. So basically, I put that thing underneath there to store my trays. Not enough room. So it is going to stay there because it's not in the way. But I'm going to have to think of where I can store these, because I don't want the greenhouse to be cluttered. So that's about it really. And the deeper ones I can probably use for sweet pea, or I could actually use the actual deep root trainers that I have for sweet pea. But like I say, I'm not sowing anything at the moment, it's too cold, and you'll just be playing, not catch up, you'll be playing a game of nowhere to store. I would prefer to play a little bit of catch up than nowhere to store them these days. Last year, you probably, if you watched my channel for a while, you've probably seen the setup I had in here, and it was a nightmare trying to keep all the tomatoes, etc. But that's what this lot is at the moment. Like I said, I've got 2 of these now. 60 odd trays, modules. Like I say, I got them free because I ordered. Now let's see. These are the Dowdings. Now the hue. These ones are a lot smaller, but then that's why I've gone for this size here. So like I say, these are smaller. You can see. But these are more like a plug plant. They're more like your average throwaway trays. So it'll be interesting to see how they go this year. Right, speak to you all soon. Thanks for watching.